Today on Designing Spaces. Comfort and style can now be achieved indoors and outdoors while standing up to the wear and tear of daily life. Elevate your curb appeal with a new garage door. Defy the elements and re-stain your back deck. Plus, home care tips from the Frontdoor experts. Time to design.
Meet my client Brad. He wants to refresh his living room, his dining area, and his patio. They have a dog and they entertain a lot. I would really like to introduce Sunbrella fabrics and selections so that they can achieve that easy to maintain, easy to clean, easy to entertain vibe that they're looking for, but also get that cozy and beautiful factor as well. Driving through the neighborhood, it's so gorgeous here.
We love it at the lake. It's a great experience for us. We definitely love to entertain, and things get dirty every once in a while.
You have a pet. Tell us about him.
Milton, he's a 5-year-old golden doodle, and he's very active. He's in and out all the time.
And he's allowed on the sofas.
He is. We like the linen look, kind of the natural look, the light blues, light greens.
My thought today was to bring you some Sunbrella options.
Okay. We have Sunbrella on our boat, and so it's like the canvas like.
They've actually made a great leap into interiors, fabrics, fibers that don't feel like your typical patio furniture.
So that would be my biggest concern, is it's soft and pliable for the furniture.
So it feels good in hand?
I like that a lot. If something is this pretty and this soft, is it really going to perform well?
Why don't I show you?
All right, let's see.
Sunbrella fabric here.
Okay.
Non-Sunbrella fabric here. Similar look, right? We found some blackberries in the fridge. And we're just gonna act like you were serving a fruit salad and somebody stepped or sat on a blackberry. Serious stain. Okay, and then I'm gonna clean it up just like you would. If you had a guest over, you'd say, oh, don't worry about it. And they'd be feeling really bad. Now I'm just gonna take dish soap and water. That's all I need. And literally just scrub. I'm not putting a ton of pressure. I'll do the same thing with the other. After you've done this, all you need to do is just let it air dry. Your guest is gonna say, oh my gosh.
Yeah, that would have been
thank
helpful
goodness. In a couple hours, you won't be able to tell that there was anything on this umbrella.
I can already tell a big difference. That looks great. Let's move forward.
Awesome. I'm so excited to share with you what we have for you today. I've brought Amy with me. She's one of the design directors at Sunbrella.
Thank you.
Great to meet you.
Everything you see here is Sunbrella fabric.
I'm amazed at the color palette that you put together. This looks really great.
Awesome. I'm so excited.
For our interior fabrics, we're really focusing on constructions and components so that they have softer hands and more drapability. Part of what allows us to get such nice textures are these chunky boucle yarns that you see here. So it's very loopy and quite textural. We also have some other types of yarns like lush chenille yarns. They give more of like a sumptuous hand that's nice and soft.
We know you like the color, you like the design. Approved, right?
Approved. Last time you were here, you showed us the experiment with the blackberries. How does it work? Is it nasty chemicals that we have to be around in order to get the performance?
No, actually, the performance characteristics of Sunbrella are innate to the fiber. So we have Sunbrella Color to the Core technology. Our fabrics are Green Guard Gold certified and Okotex certified. Those are two certifications that guarantee that products doesn't have any nasty chemicals and are certified for indoor air quality.
Excellent. This looks great. I say we move forward and with your selection.
There's just this amazing energy that comes from seeing the work we did collaboratively come together in his home so that he can enjoy it and live exactly how we planned it.
Sarah, thank you for coming in and seeing the final product. It looks so great.
Oh my gosh, it looks phenomenal. This room looks so elegant, and a white sofa with a pet. Can you believe it? And look at him, look at
Milton loves his new bed.
Oh my gosh,
loves his new
good job,
bed.
buddy. You're super stylish. That's amazing. Everything Sunbrella, just so beautiful, and just for where you guys are here at the lake, wonderful.
Look at the curtains. They turned out great. With the wide stripe, they just turned out really, really nice. I think you pulled some fabrics into here as well.
Milton's dog bed fabric is on the back of this chair, just a little bit of trim on the side, just really bringing these rooms together. And your drapes, their performance as well. You just don't expect them to drape like this. It's so beautiful.
Absolutely. I love how you guys brought the design from inside to outside using some of the same fabrics.
It's not usual that you can do that. Your cubes, that's Milton's dog bed trim, your dining chairs, and even the throw blanket.
We've been very pleased. Thank you so much for the design.
Oh, it's been such a pleasure. We absolutely love doing it.
To learn more about Sunbrella's beautiful indoor performance fabrics, visit sunbrella.com.
According to Zillow, about 76% of us would rather renovate than relocate. That's basically all of us. So everyone, listen up, because there is a renovation that doesn't break the bank, takes only days to do, and doubles its value if you sell your house. So what is this holy grail of home improvement?
It's the garage door!
Andy Couture from Overhead Door, welcome to Designing Spaces.
Thank you, Judith. It's so wonderful to be here.
Why should we give our garage and our garage door a little more love in terms of design, safety?
Well, in today's busy families, the access point to the home is the garage door. So not only having it energy efficient, but also having it hurricane safe and weather ready, as well as all the extra features I'm going to show you today with safety, reversing systems, and being able to have a smart home access solution. Having that smart home technology, being able to open your door from anywhere in the home, but also anywhere in the world.
Smart home access. And what about curb appeal?
Curb appeal is huge. That's the #1 return on investment today for the home when someone sells their home.
And what about the extra square footage?
Absolutely. So now if you work in your garage or you entertain in your garage, you have an energy efficient point. So whether it's cooled or heated, it keeps it comfortable all year long.
So many different reasons to use your garage for what it's worth. Okay, Andy, so once you decide you're going to get a new garage door, what is the first step?
So the first thing I look at is, are there any codes in the area that they live that they have to be in compliance with? The second thing is I understand what kind of maintenance the customer wants to do. Some customers don't mind painting a door. Some like to stain a door. We have a lot of doors, so they have a lot of options, from curb appeal to look designs to fill, again, that maintenance, and then all the safety options that you can upgrade to make that door the best for their home.
And the smartest door. Overhead Door really is the leader in garage doors. It's been around for how many years at this point?
Oh, we started in 1921.
What are some of the most popular choices that people are making today in terms of design?
So as far as design, they want the look of wood without the maintenance. But look at these. You actually get
They look like wood grain.
real wood.
How long should you expect your garage door, a new garage door, to last?
So we expect a new door to last 10 to 20 years.
Okay, so for this home, what would you suggest in terms of the grain and the color? I think a nice rich dark color with some windows maybe.
I think a window pattern with impact rated windows, because we are in Florida today. But yeah, something like one of these would just, the curb appeal alone will just make the house pop.
Andy, one of the things that I am terrified of is making a final choice.
I have a tool that I say it gives you a glimpse into the future.
Show me, please.
So we have this door view, and basically I can take and upload a picture of the home, and you can actually choose one of our doors and what it's going to look like.
You're sounding like you're speaking my tune right now. And it's going to be beautiful. I can't wait to see it.
Me neither. Let's place the order today.
Okay, so we've made our choices, and now it's time to see how we're going to go from garage door drab to garage door fab. This is Steve, my contractor.
How you doing?
Good. So what are some of the reasons or some of the things that a new garage door offers that an old one just can't?
Older doors are not going to be up to the same win rating that today's doors are going to be. So it's really about safety, efficiency, quietness. A lot of these garage doors are now a belt drive, so you don't hear the old chain rattling back and forth. The door that's going in is also an insulated door.
So describe now your relationship with Overhead Door.
We have been doing business with Overhead Door for over 20 years. Overhead Door Company is an amazing company to work with, and we've been proud to do so.
All right, we'll let you guys get to it.
All right.
Thank you for the little update on the garage door, and we can't wait to see it finished.
Thank you so much.
Andy, I'm so excited. Our installation's all done. Just to remind everyone, this is how the house looked and the garage door looked before. And here's the reveal. It's beautiful.
It's amazing.
Oh my goodness. What is this door, first of all?
So this door is our Thermacore model 5745, wind load rated and impact rated. The nice thing about it too is the windows are impact rated, and just a lot of features with the smart home technology that we added into it. It has the OHD Anywhere technology to where you're allowed to let people in your home easy and safely.
Is this one of the more popular finishes?
It is. This is the bi-directional finish, and it just looks amazing.
Beautiful, beautiful. So for anyone who wants to do a beautiful garage renovation, where can they find out more about Overhead Door?
At overheaddoor.com.
And of course, you can always go to designingspaces.tv. Andy, let's open it up. What do you say?
Excited.
Do-it-yourselfers are prepping and staining their home's wood fences and decks in a whole new way for longer-lasting durability and beauty. And it all begins here in Richmond, Indiana, the home of DEFY wood cleaning and wood stain products, where DEFY sales representatives like to say their exterior wood stain will defy the elements.
So individuals that have decks, fences, exterior wood furniture, that's a big investment on their part, and they want to protect it. So DEFY is the premium choice for them to protect that investment. Consider it as sunscreen for wood. The UVs literally reflect off of our coating as opposed to being absorbed, which allows for our products to last and protect the investment at least a year longer than anything else on the market. The benefit of being an employee-owned company is that every aspect of the production and promotion of the product that goes to the consumer was created wholeheartedly with their benefit in mind.
We use Nano Zinc in our DEFY formula because it helps prevent any kind of leaching from your wood. It also prevents water absorption, and it helps protect your wood from a lot of harmful UV rays, which makes the stain last and look really good over time. The really cool thing about the Nano Zinc is that it actually will rejuvenate itself over time, so it'll use itself up, and then it will build itself back up, and it continues to give you those really good products in your DEFY stain.
Your home's exterior wood stain must beautify, be water resistant, and protect from the sun's harmful UV rays. And listen up, DIYers, because doing it yourself is easier than you think.
The deck's my happy place, and I moved into the house last fall. I inherited a deck that just wasn't taken care of. It had a red paint on it that I wasn't personally happy with, so it was time to finish the deck, to turn it into something that I was happy with, something I feel matched the house better, and a place where I can't wait to enjoy a coffee and listen to the birds and watch the squirrels every morning. If you can hold a paintbrush, you could stain a deck. It's really simple to do. When I went onto DEFY's website, I did learn that you need to clean and brighten first. I'm glad I took those steps, especially with a deck that hadn't been taken care of for quite some time. I chose DEFY because they were manufactured right here in Richmond, Indiana. They are an employee-owned company, and they also have what they call a zinc nanotechnology, which is supposed to protect the wood from the sun and help it last a couple more seasons, meaning that I'm not going to have to spend every summer on my deck making it look pretty. I couldn't be happier with the way the deck turned out. The white is so crisp and clean instead of the dirty wood that I had before. You know, it's my happy place. It's a place I come out to once or twice a day, and just it matches the house better. It looks more modern. It's beautiful. It's a great place to hang out. If I was going to talk to a do-it-yourselfer, I would absolutely recommend DEFY. The product looks fantastic. It was easy to apply. With that zinc technology, I know I'm not going to have to be out here every year redoing the job. I would also recommend that you go to DEFY's website and look at the how-to videos that they have. It made the job significantly easier for me.
Stripping and cleaning your home's deck or fence is a smart idea prior to staining.
It is important to strip or clean your wood prior to staining to remove any mill scale or dirt or debris that has built up on your deck so the stain penetrates properly. You can tell when it's time for a maintenance coat when the stain is not as vibrant as it used to be. It's losing some of its color and luster. You go out, do a water test, sprinkle a little bit of water on the surface. If it absorbs in, you know that it'll absorb stain. So that process is cleaning with a brightener and then applying a maintenance coat. So we are an ESOP. That means that we are employee owned. Every employee here is an owner. So you talk to the guys on the floor, you talk to the people in customer service. We're owners, we're invested. All of our products are made in America. And what that means for the end user is you know that you're getting a product made with pride and a lot of love is put into it.
If there's one thing we learned, it's important to defy the elements with products from DEFY. Available at Amazon.com, Walmart.com, and select Do It Best member stores nationwide. Learn how to stain like a pro while beautifying your home's wood fencing and deck. For more information, visit DefyWoodstain.com. The following is brought to you by Frontdoor, the one-stop home repair and maintenance app. Download for free today.
When working on renovating your house, there are low-effort, big-reward tasks you can tackle. One big factor on how a home looks, sells, and feels is the paint. Interior paint jobs with neutral colors are known to be a great return on investment. Next, look to update fixtures and hardware. Swapping out old light fixtures, sink taps, doorknobs, and other accessories can go a long way to make a home look great. Need storage? Consider custom shelving out of reclaimed wood or industrial piping to add functionality and aesthetics to a room.
Need help? Download the Frontdoor app today and get one free video chat with a home repair expert. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.